Hey everyone, I'm back with another must-have product that's sure to impress. Let's get right into it. This design is an absolute showstopper, modern, sleek, and seriously impressive. You'll be happy to know it's priced to fit any budget, so you're getting top-notch quality without the hefty price tag. It's also a super practical choice for your workspace, home, or as a unique gift. For all the details, check the description. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're always in the loop for more great finds. See you next time. Hey everyone, I'm back with another must-have product that's